up, guys? This is your girl Upo Mababa. So today's really emotional for me. As you can see, guys, I've got my delicious ice cream from MILKY Lane. It got Oreo pieces, Oreo grinds, marshmallows, yeah, guys, it looks so delicious. It tastes delicious. Before I forget, please tell your family and friends and your cousins to like, share, and subscribe. Help me out reach this 1 million subscribers. Okay, guys. Guys, I woke up today feeling so down. It's like 9 a.m. In the morning, so I decided to buy ice cream because I feel like ice cream just makes my days. Okay, if it doesn't make my days, it makes my day. This is so delicious. Before I forget, this ice cream is from MILKY Lane in Florida, in Durban. So I drove all the way from my place to Florida just to get my breakfast. I believe this is my breakfast. Yeah. So guys, not feeling good. I'm not feeling well. This weekend I was at home and it was one of the saddest weekends. Sorry guys, it was one of the saddest weekend ever experienced in my community. So it took me by shock. Everybody was shocked. 12 were involved in the car accident. 10 died. Though I could call them my friends, people I grew up with. My Ikoko Zami, and people I chilled with when I'm at home. You know, when I'm at home, I know people I'm going to chill with. So guys, I said this channel, guys, it's all about what I'm going through, and it's about my life. It's about bringing you in. It's about you guys catching up on me. So it's life, guys. I hardly slept. As you can see, guys, my eyes are red, like they're swollen or something. I hardly slept. I'm feeling so down now. Hopefully, when I finish this ice cream, my mood will go just poof to 100%. What I've just realized is, you know, guys, when you're not feeling the vibe, or when you're not feeling like going out or driving, please don't. Just don't go. You know, just listen to your sixth sense. If you're not feeling like going out with your friends, or you just don't feel like going to work, please don't go. Because it feels like every time when you force yourself in doing something, definitely something bad is going to happen. You know what I've heard this past weekend is that some of the guys who passed away, they were not feeling the vibe, but because of friends and because of friendship and taking things slightly, they just went with it, you know, like making things a joke. Like, to me, I feel like now, starting from now on, I know I am that kind of a person who's not feeling, when I'm not feeling the vibe, I'm not going. And what I don't like, I don't do it. And, you know, I'm just that type of a person. But now, I'm just going to zoom in to everything now I'm doing. I'll be more extra careful on what I'm saying, and more extra careful on what people are telling me, and just to listen to them. If somebody tells me like they sing something, or I don't know, people who can see things that we can't see, now I think I'm just going to pay more attention to those things and do what's right for my life. I believe in somehow we as humans, we do cut our days of life or days of living, because sometimes you are told to do this and then you don't. Then after that, boom, period, you did. So it was so shocking to me, like, you know, people you grew up with and people you hang up with, now you won't see them ever again. It's so heartbreaking. It's a disaster, you know. But anyways, guys, God knows what he does. He knows what he do. He knows everything. We know nothing. We're just trying to figure what life is, you know. Guys, I'm so heartbroken, but they always say God has a plan. God always has a better plan than yours. Because now I just remember to this one guy who passed away, because I kept telling him to apply and apply, you know, just to do good. You know, he kept on telling me, no, don't worry, I'm covered, you know. So now I'm just feeling down, because maybe like if he got a better job, maybe. But then, guys, you can't run away from death, I guess. But I always think I can escape from death. I don't know why, but I always think I can, which is so impossible. But I always think that I can escape from death. Like, let's say maybe tomorrow I'm going to die. What I'm going to do, I'll try not to die. You know, I'll try and say no. Guys, I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm so hurt. I just decided to do this mukbang, guys, because sometimes life is unfair, and sometimes when you think you have figured it out, everything, you have figured it out, what life is all about, and bad things just happen to you or to the families, and to the family, it's so sad. And yeah, guys, that's why we're on earth. That's why we're living, guys. Sometimes when you try so hard to figure something out, you try so hard to figure what life it is, it's when you don't get what life it is. Just leave, you know. Just to close up this vlog, guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell your family, tell your friends, tell your cousins to like, share, and subscribe. And you know what, guys, please try by all means to reduce speed, guys. Please, guys, try to be extra careful when you're driving. Try not to chat when you're driving, not to be on a phone call when you're driving. Just make sure the first thing you do when you get to the car, just try to be safe as possible, guys. And try, guys, please don't drink and drive. Let's go vote, guys. This is your girl Upoma Ba. So